Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys some new stuff on the new Brookhaven Plaza. Well, the Brookhaven Mall update. It's called the Haven Plaza. So here, as you can see, there is a Chinese takeout, like, not restaurant, it's like a food court, I guess. There's like Sub and Go, and there's also Moe's Pizza, where you can work as a pizza maker here. Okay, I think that's for the oven. Not quite sure like how you would go about this. But I guess you can deliver as well here. Don't know where you would put it though, like, if I'm being honest. You can also buy some outfits here. There's a stage where you can sing and stuff, I guess, and perform. And then when you go upstairs, there is Rosie, the cat here. She went to heaven, I'm gonna assume. And then there is like a furniture store, which is also new. Furniture R Us. And this is also new, so you can actually now change the background of like the news thing here. I don't know what that does. Oh, it says on air. And you can also work as this as well. And this one's not very new, but you can kind of like record people here. You can sit here. And I think there's like a secret place where you can go in. I'm not sure how you can go in though, like using the sleeping bag, if I'm not mistaken. There's also a clothing store there and here as well. There is, I think where you sell, I'm not sure, like where they sell like PS5s and stuff like that. There is a dance studio, which isn't new. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.